Did you know a tiny hidden part costing as little as $5 could dramatically extend the life of your water heater? Stay tuned to uncover this game-changing maintenance secret. Water heaters are a significant investment, and typically they only last 8 to 12 years. But what if we told you there's a simple way to push that lifespan much, much further? The main culprit for premature water heater failure is internal corrosion. Once the protective lining breaks down, the metal tank starts to rust, leading to leaks and total failure. This essential protection against corrosion comes in the form of a cheap, easy-to-replace component. It's often overlooked, but it's the key to making your water heater last for decades. Drumroll, please! The hero of our story is the anode rod. This simple metal rod, usually screwed into the top of your tank, is the sacrificial lamb for your water heater. The anode rod works using electrochemistry, actively attracting corrosive elements in the water instead of the steel tank. It's designed to disintegrate over time, protecting your expensive appliance. Anode rods come in different materials: magnesium, aluminum, and zinc. The best type depends on your water quality and if you have any odor issues, like a sulfur smell, which often requires a zinc alloy rod. Since the anode rod is designed to sacrifice itself, it must be checked regularly. If it completely dissolves, your tank instantly loses its primary defense against rust. A good rule of thumb is to inspect your anode rod every 1 to 2 years. If it's worn down to less than 6 inches of core wire exposed, it needs replacing immediately. Inspection involves shutting off the water and power, draining some water, and unscrewing the rod. Replacement is just as straightforward, but if you're uncomfortable, always call a professional plumber. Thinking long-term, maintaining this small component translates into significant financial savings and peace of mind. A new water heater installation can cost thousands of dollars, not including potential water damage from a burst tank. Investing $5 now saves you a massive expense down the road. Beyond the anode rod, remember to flush your water heater every year to remove sediment buildup. Sediment can reduce efficiency and cause the unit to overheat and fail. So don't let this tiny component lead to a major headache. Regular maintenance is the foundation of appliance longevity. Take a moment this week to check your water heater's anode rod. A simple $5 part could save you decades of worry.